And markets have been tracking President Trump's comments for any indication on where the war on Iran is going. Now, he said dozens of times over the last 3 months that a peace deal is near. Then stocks rise and oil falls. Anytime he threatens attacks, the markets turn tail. Well, he made the first indication that Tehran was ready for diplomacy less than 3 weeks after the U.S. and Israel started attacking Iran on February 28. Now, March 16th, he said Iranians were ready for a deal. The U.S. oil fell 5% and stocks jumped 1%. Crude moved further from $100 a barrel as he carried on the narrative through the weeks. Until April 1st, when he got impatient. He threatened to, quote, bomb Iran back to the Stone Ages unless a deal is made. Oil surged to $115 the next day, and that's the highest level in nearly 4 years. Stocks fell nearly 2% early in the session, but recovered as investors found their bearings. Now, they became more optimistic when the U.S. and Iran struck a ceasefire deal on April 7th. The S&P 500 popped 2.5% the day after. Oil plunged 16%, its biggest one-day drop since 2020, as traders hoped that traffic along the Strait of Hormuz would soon normalize. Since then, it's been a recurring pattern of President Trump touting progress using several variations of the same message: the war is ending soon. But it hasn't. In between, Mr. Trump threatened Iran with harsh consequences if it doesn't agree to U.S. terms. But after more than 100 days of war, mediators are still nowhere near closing a peace deal.